Hi, in this episode I'm going to show you how to format cells using the quick format functions up here. So these don't have a comma to show thousands, so I'll just highlight the row, go up here, hit the comma, and it puts a comma at the thousands mark. And by default it puts it out 2 decimal places. So if I don't want those decimal places, or if I want more, I can increase it with this button or decrease it with this button. I can even make it show no decimal places. So you can also use the dollar symbol here or the percentage. But in this case, the dollar symbol makes the most sense, and it's in thousands, so I'll take off the decimal places. So you can quickly format cells that way. You can do it with other columns, same way. And so that's how you use these quick formatting functions. And thank you for watching.